Ndereti ya mehariria ma githomo kia junior secondary no irathie na mbere thiini wa kigomano kia arutani anene a thukuru cia muthingi kiria kirathie na mbere mwena wa Mombatha. Akiaria thutha wa kuhingura kigomano giki, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang nioritie arutani aya kugia na mubango uria wagiriire mbere ya thukuru kuhingurwo mweri wa mwambiririo mwaka ukite.
I would want to bring to your attention the responsibilities that it carries to domicile junior school in our primary schools. I hope and pray that you have started internalizing what that means.
Kipsang ni ahithuritie kuri na mubango wa thirikari guteaniria mutaratara uria ukoretwo ukihuthika wa gubanga thukuru na ikiro itiganite niguo kweheria urugari wa arutwo kuhuranira mieke minini iria ikoragwo ku thukuru-ini ici. Ona kuhanura uguo akiuga arutwo a grade ya 7 marithomaga na kuinuka niguo kugia na ihinda na aciari.
The first 9 years of our learning between grade 1 and grade 9, the direction that government will be taking is day schooling. The Presidential Working Party has been told to look at all these questions of categorization and if this categorization is even necessary.
Ihinda-inĩ riu arutani aya nimoritio kuheana riboti nginyaniru cikoni arutwo mutambo-ini wa NEMIS niguo kuhotithia thirikari kugaya kigina na indo ingi iria irabatarania mathukuru-ini.
All our activities will be NEMIS based. Either as we send capitation, as we distribute books, and as we address some of the concerns and requests that you have put forward, NEMIS will be at the center of it.
Maya mokite riri kigomano kia ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia muingi kiria kirathie na mbere guku Nairobi kingirite thiku ya keri. Ikundi ici ikiuga cirenda gukuruhanio tabarira-ini ngurani cia thirikari. Itemi riao ari kumurika uhuthiri wa kigina kiria kigayagirwo thirikari niguo kuhura njeki tabarira ngurani cia mathomo.
It is crucial because these funds will get to the grassroots, it will be at the ministry, it will be working on various programs. We need to have a vibrant civil society that can work together with the government so that we can get projects initiated for the benefit of the children of Kenya.
Kigomano giki oho gikimurika morito maria maracokia na thutha ukinyaniria wa githomo kuri ikundi itiganite ari hamwe na arutwo aria mari mawathe. Riri kaunti ngurani igwetetwo gukorwo na namba nene ya ciana iria iratiganiria mathomo thutha wa kuhanda.
The Ministry of Education needs to improve policy implementation, especially the back to school guidelines, the enrollment guidelines, and also we also feel that other policies like the sector policy for trainees and learners with disabilities need to be implemented as it should.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Waduru.